Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Off the Cuff. Today is a take 2 episode. That's where I go back in time to a previous episode and I respin it. Today I'm going back to season 1 where I did air fried rice. It was yummy, and of course anything air fried is going to have less calories. But I forgot about the carbs. Yes, I found since I reversed my type 2 diabetes that I can tolerate different carbs. Like I can tolerate potatoes and corn. Thank goodness. But rice, even healthier brown rice, spikes it. So I had to find an alternative, and thus I have. Today, I'm doing my low-carb, healthier spin on fried rice. I'm doing air-fried cauliflower fried rice. I'm using rice cauliflower, vegetables, I'm using onions and spices. It's going to be num-nums, I promise. Now, I'm not saying there's anything really wrong with fried rice. We can indulge now and then, right? It's not going to kill you. But, have you seen their commercials? Talk to your doctor about eating fried rice. Some people have had changes in behavior. Hostility, agitation, depressed mood, athlete's foot, unstoppable hiccups, and weight gain. Do not eat fried rice if you are allergic to fried rice. To see if you're allergic to fried rice, try some. If you swell up like a Macy's balloon, you're probably allergic. Fried rice also puts you at risk of obesity, type 2, 3, and 4 diabetes, and skin tags in hard-to-reach places.
What?
Do not eat fried rice while driving or operating heavy machinery. Tell your doctor if you've had a liver transplant.
He's been my doctor for 17 years. Why wouldn't he already know that?
You guys are still eating that fried rice after everything I've said?
Yeah, I can eat whatever I want. I don't gain any weight.
Yeah, diabetes doesn't run in my family.
Fried rice can cause sterility and pregnancy. Remember, if you've had a liver transplant, tell your doctor.
I haven't had a liver transplant.
So what about you? You've heard this whole commercial and you're still eating that? What about diabetes?
So,
Obesity?
I don't care.
Sterility?
Okay, boomer. I'm a millennial. I got plenty of time.
I also hear that eating fried rice can make you get a job.
Ah!
Fried rice.
Am I jaundiced?
Enjoy some today,
Oh.
if you've got nothing to lose.
Mom?
Okay, those claims might be a little exaggerated. Just a little. Here are the ingredients. It's ingredient time. 3 cups of riced cauliflower. 1 cup frozen vegetables. 1/2 cup chopped onions. We're going to saute those. 3 tablespoons of coconut aminos and soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. These are the ingredients you need to make our low-carb cauliflower air-fried fried rice. Alrighty, let's start by sauteing these onions. You get the point. Okay, I've sprayed this pan. I'm putting my chopped onions in. We're not going to cook these too much, but to the point where they're just about translucent. I don't know if onions are a traditional inclusion in fried rice, but I love the taste it adds, so I'm including it. I have this at high heat. This shouldn't take very long. If it starts to smoke, turn down your heat and take it off. Like I said, we're not going to do this for too long. This is almost done already. Okay, the onions are done. Now let's mix our rice mixture together. First put in your riced cauliflower. Now what I did with this is I got the cauliflower pearls they sell in my supermarket, and I ran them through the food processor to make them more like rice. Of course, you can get a whole head of cauliflower and do it yourself. This saves time, and I'm lazy. Okay, now we're gonna stir in what we just cooked, the onion. Plop it in there. Let's get it all in, and we're going to mix it up. Very easy. This is the minced garlic. frozen vegetables. Want to get it all in here. I was going to do the vegetables last, but I didn't because I wanted to get the spices into it. So that's what made my decision easy. Mix it up. Now we go with the wet stuff. First off, let's do the sesame oil. The grated ginger. Now for the coconut aminos. I know it's coconut aminos because it's darker. Put that in. Coconut aminos has an amazing flavor. A lot of people use it to substitute for soy sauce. However, if you want your food to be a little salty, you can kind of use both. And that's what I do. The soy sauce. Actually, this might be the coconut aminos. I'm not really sure. Okay, it doesn't matter. They're both going in. Good. We're just about ready to transfer it into the air fryer safe container. This is going to be easy. You really don't have to spray this. It's not going to stick. Trust me. If you want to, go ahead. Doesn't that look great? Now we're going to put it in the air fryer. So we put the whole thing in the basket. Now we're going to do this for approximately 15 minutes, and we're going to stir every 5. So let's go for 5. And the temperature, for all time's sake, the temperature is going to be 400 degrees for 5 minutes. See you in 5. All right, the first 5 minutes is up. Oh, it looks so good. It looks like real. It looks like real fried rice, doesn't it? Well, it is real fried. Well, you know what I mean. See you in 5 more minutes. Hey, it looks like this is done. Yeah, let's open it. Actually, this is how I used to play Muppets when I was a kid. What do you mean, when you were a kid? Never mind. All right, the second 5 minutes. Look at that. It's really, really getting crispy, and it looks great. I'm gonna do it for another 5. And then we have fried rice. Our air-fried cauliflower fried rice is ready. You want to see? Okay, watch. Now you see it. Air-fried vegetarian cauliflower fried rice. Voila! There you have it. Air-fried cauliflower fried rice, vegetarian style. Oh boy, this looks fantastic. As you saw, this is really easy to do. This is an excellent take-2 dish for me. It really is, because it's got way less carbs, way less calories, and you can whip it up anytime. And remember, you could put pork in here, you could put shrimp in here, you could put chicken in here, anything you want. As a matter of fact, the next time I wok up some shrimp, I want to put it over a bed of this. It's going to be like cheating, but not really. Okay, I'm going to taste it now, but before I do, I'm going to quote one of my favorite movies, My Favorite Year, talking about chopsticks. When you're about to eat with chopsticks, do this. Don't make yourself crazy. Chinese food is hard enough to eat on its own. Use a spoon. And so I shall. Here we go. Taste wonderful. All the flavors hit you. The ginger, the coconut aminos, the soy sauce, the cauliflower, the vegetables, the onion. Oh, it's a symphony of taste, and you don't need the carbs. You really don't. One more. This is for quality. Absolutely delicious. This is a new go-to for me. Well, that's it for now. We're here in 2 weeks after this show debuts with another recipe. Be well, eat good.